Hey, my name is Mehdi. I'm studying in health science at assignement. I've been studying this program for 3 semesters, which equals to a total of a year and a half worth of study. Health science is a program that focuses a lot on the mechanics behind certain aspects of life. Let's take, for example, what happens if you put too much sugar in your coffee? Or even, how did we evolve to become the humans we are today? To answer both of those questions, we need to elaborate on the subject and create a long study report. These study reports are usually about 800 to 1000 words. Most of the students, including myself, have a nightmare of writing a report with no spelling, vocabulary, or grammar mistakes. But I found a website that could help us all to write our essays with no mistakes. So to go on the website, you click on the address bar right here and you write virtual writing tutor. Then you can use your scroll bar to see all the results Google gave us. The one we want is the first one right here. Once you're in the website, you can see the logo of the website, the navigation menu, the microphone, the spell checker, the text area. Right here is going to be the area where we're going to write our text. So let's take, for example, a sentence that I've written in one of my essays. So here's my mistakes. Here is my sentence. To count the word that I have in my sentence, I just can click on count words right here, and it's going to tell me how many words I have in total, how many sentences, and the average of words per sentence. Now, what I'm interested in is basically know if I've done some mistakes. So I'm basically going to click the spell checker, and it's going to check for me if I have mistakes. I basically have 2 mistakes right here. I have solutes that I've written wrong, and dissolve. One solution to correct those mistakes is basically to click on the microphone and dictate your sentence, and the website is going to tell it, and the website is going to write it for you with no mistakes. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. I'm going to delete my sentence. I'm going to click on the microphone, and I'm going to dictate my sentence. In this laboratory, we wanted to know how much solute could dissolve in 1 liter of water. It didn't work. I'm going to open up a new tab and write the URL directly and re-click on the microphone. In this laboratory, we wanted to know how much solute could dissolve in 1 liter of water. So right here I have the full sentence with no mistake. So as you can see, I've done some mistakes in solute. I've written it with 2 T's, so it was a mistake. And dissolve, I forgot to write with 2 S. So this website is a must for every health science student because it helps you so much with all of your spelling mistakes. It can even help you with your grammar mistakes, with your vocabulary mistakes. So it's really important to have it in your mind when you're writing a long report.